So now we're going to go to our move feet transforms function. So I've got that in a tab, but you can also click it from here in the functions list. And within the main body of the loop, we're going to check whether or not the current foot is locked or unlocked. So what we'll do is we'll drag in a reference to our foot locked array and do get foot locked array. And we're going to drag out from the array and do at to get the value at a certain index. And the index we're going to use is going to match this index, which is looping through all of the feet. So each of these indexes will match an index from the foot array. But instead of just connecting this index to this index, if you remember, we created local variables for these to keep things cleaner. So we can drag in the foot index and do get foot index and plug that in. And what we're going to do is an if statement, and in Unreal Engine, those are called branches. So we're going to right click and search for branch and connect the execution path. So within the main body of the loop, it sets a foot index, sets a foot name, and then goes into the branch. And the condition is going to be this element. So whether or not the foot is locked. So I'll connect this element to the condition. And just to keep things simple, I'm going to add a comment around this branch. So you can select this node and press C. And I'm going to add this comment of saying, is this foot locked? So if it's true, that means the foot is locked. If it's false, it is unlocked. And what we're going to do next is add some logic to the true and the false branch to decide when the feet should lock, unlock, and what should happen if the foot is unlocked. Because if the foot is unlocked, we want it to be moving and updating. Whereas if it's locked, we don't need to update the world final foot transform position because it's not moving and it's locked in world space.